All right, let's dive into something huge today. Imagine a single app that could replace LinkedIn, Zoom, and Calendly. Sounds ambitious, right? Well, that's exactly what we're looking at. We're breaking down the business plan for a startup called Gurusmartconnect, and it's a big one.
So here's how we're going to tackle this. First, we'll get into the big problem they're trying to solve, all that digital clutter in our work lives. Then, we'll see their big idea, this unified, all-in-one platform with a smart AI at its core. After that, we'll check out how they plan to make money and grow like crazy using something called coins. And we'll wrap it all up with their master plan to take over the market in just 3 years. Okay, so first things first, the problem. Why does this platform even need to exist? Well, their whole argument is that our digital work life is a total mess. We're jumping between dozens of different apps, and it's just not efficient. It's fragmented, and we're probably missing out on some huge opportunities because of it. Seriously, just take a second and think about it. For your own professional life, how many apps are you using? You've got one for networking, another for video calls, maybe a third for scheduling. Then there's job hunting, maybe another one for fundraising if you're in that world. It adds up fast, doesn't it? And this slide just lays it out perfectly. On one side, you've got the old way, a total jumble of logos. LinkedIn, Zoom, Calendly, AngelList. It's chaotic. But on the other side, the Gurusmartconnect vision. Clean, simple, one platform for everything. That's the promise. All right, so we get the problem. Now for the fun part, the solution. Let's really dig into the vision behind Gurusmartconnect and see what this platform is all about. So what is Gurusmartconnect, according to their own plan? At its heart, it's an AI-powered platform. But it's not just for networking or just for meetings. The whole idea is to bring all of it, networking, video calls, scheduling, even fundraising, under one single roof. A complete ecosystem. And who are they building this for? Well, pretty much everyone. We're talking about individual professionals trying to climb the ladder, founders and CEOs looking for their next big break, investors and VCs hunting for unicorns, and even entire companies and their teams. The scope here is massive. Okay, so the vision sounds great, but how does the tech actually work? What's under the hood? This is where we get into the nuts and bolts, the AI-powered engine that's supposed to make this whole all-in-one dream a reality. The real secret sauce here is their AI matching process. It's designed to be super simple. You set up your profile, your skills, your goals, what you're looking for. Then the AI crunches all that data and finds the perfect connections for you. You get these tailored recommendations for people, jobs, investors. And here's the kicker. You can instantly book a meeting right there on the platform. No switching apps, no back and forth emails. It's all seamless. But it's so much more than just matching people. That's just the start. The plan details this whole suite of tools built around that AI core. I mean, we're talking big video meetings for up to 250 people, huge webinars, appointment booking, communities, a marketplace, even a specialized dashboard for the startup and investor world. This is the engine they're betting on to power, well, everything. An amazing product is great, but you gotta have a business model, right? So how do they plan to make money and grow? This is where things get really clever. They're combining the classic subscription model with this really interesting virtual currency system that's designed to make the platform go viral. So the subscription side is pretty straightforward, and it's smart. You've got a free plan to get as many people in the door as possible. Then it scales up. $10 a month for a professional who wants unlimited AI matches, $30 for a company that needs team tools, and $80 for an investor who wants first dibs on the hottest startups. Each tier is perfectly tailored to its user. Okay, but now for the really unique part. Guru Smart Coins. Now, this isn't just some in-game currency. It's a core part of their strategy. Each coin is valued at $10, and its whole purpose is to create a viral growth loop. It's their answer to one of the biggest challenges any new platform faces, getting users and getting them fast. And you can use these coins for pretty much anything inside the platform, unlocking premium features, buying more storage, you name it. But here's the genius part, the referral system. You bring a friend on board, they sign up, and boom, you get a coin. A $10 value just for referral. This turns every single user into an evangelist for the platform. It's designed to be a self-fueling fire. So we've got the product, we've got the business model. Now, the plan lays out the grand strategy. This isn't just about launching a new app. This is their roadmap to completely dominate the market, and they think they can do it in 36 months. And they've broken down this campaign into 3 distinct phases. Phase 1, the first 6 months, is all about speed and numbers, getting users on board as fast as possible using that viral coin system. Phase 2 is about going corporate, getting businesses and startups to adopt the platform. And finally, phase 3 is about going global, expanding into new markets and new languages. And the numbers they're projecting to back this up, they are bold. In year 1, just the first year, they're forecasting $4.2 million in revenue. A pretty strong start. But that's just the launch pad. By the end of year 3, once that growth strategy is in full swing, that number doesn't just grow, it explodes. We're talking a projected $120 million. A huge leap. And if you think that's wild, their 5-year target is even crazier. The plan projects revenue will blow past $350 million. I mean, they're basically saying their valuation could rival the early days of LinkedIn, Calendly, and Zoom combined. The audacity is just off the charts. So you have to ask, what makes them so confident? What's the winning formula they keep talking about? Well, the plan boils it down to a few key things. Being a truly all-in-one platform, having that unique AI matching engine and the coin economy, and, this is crucial, bringing professionals, startups, and investors together in one place like nobody else has. And the plan itself just puts it out there, plain and simple, with this incredibly confident statement: you have the winning formula. No ambiguity, no hesitation. They believe they've cracked the code. And that, in a nutshell, is the blueprint for Gurusmartconnect. It's a massively ambitious plan to build one single home for our entire professional world. The vision is incredible, the strategy is laid out, but it all hangs on one giant question. In a world full of specialized giants, can one platform really rise up and conquer them all?